Hi there, my name's Tom Heaney. I'm one of the co-founders of Properly Unlearn, and I'm super excited that you're going to join us on one of our programs. The one in particular I want to talk to you about right now is the Property Investor Elite program. It's a 2-day event, and it's going to be a massive deep dive into two sides of the property development spectrum. One, how to really de-risk and appraise your developments. How we find them, how you can really get the edge against your competition in your area or further afield, and how to also project manage them and leverage other people, because that for me is part of the wealth dynamic and wealth wheel. And I'll explore more on that 2 days. But once you've actually found those deals, you've also got to get them funded, because you might have some funds right now, but it takes a lot of time. There's a risk involved, and we want to help de-risk it for you too. The due diligence process that goes behind the investment, but also the development side. Now, there's two camps there. You might want to be a developer, but you also might want to be an investor. You might want to be both. So with Properly Unlearn, that's what's really exciting is you can just have one hat. If you want to be a developer, we can collaborate with you and we can fund your deals through Peal funding. We can educate you on how to really get the developments over the line through a safe and secure process. But you might not want to be a developer, because that can also be a job. You might want to be an armchair investor. You might want to actually be somebody who gets great returns on their money through the right FCA channels. And by the way, what we need to make sure we're compliant. So we need to go through whether you're a sophisticated or unsophisticated investor. But we're going to teach you those skills on the 2-day. But then you might want to actually deploy your funds, maybe using SaaS. Because if you've not heard of SaaS, it's a way to unlock your pension and deploy it through property. And now we can do that through Peal. So in those 2 days, you'll learn about the development process and the funding process to help you decide what's going to be the best way to get you to your postcard, collapsing time frame to create the lifestyle and the legacy that you've dreamt of sooner. Now, property's changed my life. Now I'm a full-time investor and developer, and I'm the co-founder of Peal. And now it's not just me, there's 3 other co-founders. And on that day, all 4 of us are going to be there to educate and help you really focus on what the outcomes that you want to create the lifestyle that you want now, not tomorrow. So I look forward to joining you on those 2 days. The way to register is click the link below, fill in the form, and one of us will get back to you very shortly. Now, if you need anything in the short term, please do email me, reach out. I want to help, because if I help you, the world comes around in a good way, and we help each other to get to our postcards. My name's Tom Heaney. I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.